Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 7.8 Chevy Blazer. It's Cheyenne package and it's kind of unique. It's two-wheel drive. So you can see probably needs a grill. Obviously got a couple chunks busted out of it. Missing the hood ornament. A little bit of bubbling up here. So it's just kind of an original. Come out of Texas. I see San Antonio on one of the stickers on it, so but it's been up north here some, you know, like it says, kind of original there. You can see the paint wore off and stuff, but pretty solid for the most part. You see the pictures, there's a little rust on there. We redid the interior, got new front seat covers, new carpet, and a new headliner. Back seat still original. Sorry about being a little dark in here, but so if you still wanted to finish out the dash, we need a dash pad. That's the worst thing on it. So, and then you can't seem to get them there. You can see that it's got a little the side rear side panels are a little wore, but you can't seem to paint them anywhere. So. You know, they must have painted some spots or some paint come off right there or something. So a little bubble right there. And then we have the factory wheels on it. They added some blue to them. So there you can see some chips, some of the window tint coming off right there. But a pretty solid Blazer. One you can just drive the way it is. Doesn't need a lot of stuff. Runs and drives good. You can see a little bubbling down there, a few rock chips, and then some of the paint fading, you know, on the edge of the door. So, kind of nice old original Blazer and kind of unique with its two-wheel drive. Was in San Antonio in 80 and 81, and then I think it's got a in 20, it was still in San Antonio, or in Texas anyway, because it's got a motor vehicle registration deal from 20. So it's only been up in the north a little while. So got a cracked windshield also. Any questions? 605-695-7391.